welcome to another freebies video. I'm gonna tell you all the freebies that I scored last month, which was May. Yes, I had to stop and think about it for a second, shut up. There weren't as many, normal mail-in freebie deals as there normally are. There's periods like that where that's a thing, but, I blame the, virus situation for why there's less right now, probably, but just saying. Just saying. They ebb and flow anyway, but it evened out because I got a whole shit ton of brand deals, free stuff, so between that and a whole crap ton of free ebooks, between the two of those, I think I ended up with more freebies this month than last month because of those things. So, starting with what you already saw. You guys have already seen the free backpack that I got as a brand deal from the brand Dot & Dot. So if you haven't seen my review on that, go check that out. The other brand deal things, I haven't posted the videos for yet. You will be seeing them, they're just not up yet, because I didn't want to spam you guys with them all back to back to back to back to back with nothing in between, so. Anyways, another one that I got, awkwardly enough, is actually... This one won't probably get reviewed on YouTube, this is just for an Amazon review. But this is actually a stick-on bra. I've never had one before. I haven't tried it on yet. But, yeah, it's kind of cool. It literally just sticks to your skin. And again, I am definitely not doing that here because, well, for one, we literally can't here on YouTube. But, even if I could, I definitely would not go on camera in just this, but I'm super duper intrigued by this. I haven't gotten to play with it yet, though. But, apparently, when you wash it, it, re-stickifies the adhesive, so I'm like, that is so trippy. So, yeah, I still need to play with that, see how it is, review it, do all that good stuff, but that'll be an Amazon thing, that's not for here. Let's see, what else have I got? I also got this 17-ounce water bottle from the brand Linkit. And it's this color, too. It actually looks a lot like one I already had. It's like a double insulated one. Literally, the only difference from the one I already had is that it's, smooth and this one's textured. But it's, the same color and everything. And it's badass. Same size. Double-walled. Aluminum. Pretty groovy. I was just like, I can always use that. I will happily review that for you guys. Just saying. So that still needs to go up and be done and all that good stuff. This one I have to review with Kimmy because my teeth are capped. I don't have natural teeth in my mouth. I have crowns. But we have this Purine Pro Plus new LED teeth whitening kit that mostly I applied for this campaign because of her, because she was looking for whitening stuff. But yeah, only to find out that she's nervous and hesitating on doing it, but we'll get it done before the time period's up to do it in. But it did come with, a whole kit of stuff. Whoa! Let's not lose it! Looks we got the little whitening mouthpiece that goes in there. Does it even work? I don't even know if it works. Well, that would be a kick in the head if it didn't even work after all that. I kind of think it doesn't. Oh my god. Good thing they sent us two. But, my goodness gracious. Okay. How the heck do you even turn it on? The batteries might be dead. That's fun. No battery asked or anything, but we may have to swap those out before we do this, because it does not appear to actually turn on. That's fun. But, how it's supposed to work is this lights up and it's like LED blue light, whatever. You put the gel in the little thingy in the tray. You put it on your teeth. You hold it in your mouth for however long the thing is. And it, like, bleaches your teeth or something. But yeah, it comes with a... what the hell are those? A couple of syringes of their bleachy stuff. I guess the mouth guard is in that blue thing. But yeah, there's that. There's instructions. I should probably read those instructions before I give it to her to do. What else? Oh, I know what these are. This is like a set of, they're really long wires that are like charger cords for iPhones, iPods, you name it. Can I get them out of here? That'd be really convenient right about now. Oh, there's one loose one. Let's go for the loose one. Whoop! Yeah, it's like a 10-foot long one. I'm like, holy shit. It's twist tied together, but I'm like, damn, if that actually works. I have my iPod out right now. Let's test it. Whoop! I will plug one end in here. Hope like hell it doesn't break it. Let's untwistify it. Yeah, it's 10 feet long. I was like, hell yeah, and you're giving me like 5 or 6 of those for free? Okay, I will gladly review those for you. Okay. Other direction. The USB things always confuse me. Did do a thing? I'm unsure. Let me hit stop on this and check, because I can't tell if it actually plugged in or not. It did! It did the thing! Awesome! Okay, it like didn't do the little blip blip sound, so I didn't know if it actually did anything, or if it just was kind of plugged in there and doing nothing. But no, it actually works! Oh, cool! Always good to know, especially because with this braided thing around the wire, it also makes it sturdier too than the little Apple included ones, which just break like a bitch. I have broken so many of the Apple ones over the years. Oh my god, I cannot even begin to tell you. I guess they gave me 3, not 5. They gave me the option of 6-foot ones or 10-foot ones. It must have been the 6-foot ones where there was the option to get like 5 or 6 of them, but I'm just gonna stick these over here. We can deal with putting that back in the thing after. But yeah, I'm like, hell yeah, I could definitely use that. We have another cup over here. I haven't even looked at this one yet. It's like a big old beefy thing. Check out this bad boy. Bottle Joy stainless steel water bottle, 32 ounces. Let's look in there. Oh, I sold a thing. Cool. Oh. Oh, hey. Custom. There's a little filter in there for if you want to infuse your water with stuff, you can. What all else is in there? There's things. Oh, shit. Oh, those are those, like, reusable ice cubes that aren't really ice. Oh, shit. But they have fluid in them, so you can stick these in the freezer and freeze them like ice cubes, but it will never dilute your drink. That's pretty cool. I don't know if I would necessarily trust these, but just on concept, they're pretty cool. There's like weird corners on them that make me a little iffy. That's the only reason I say that. But they are pretty dang cool. Just saying. And there's still something else in there. Is that a gift card? Silica gel. It is a gift card. Hey! Alright, cool. Well, that can go back in there for now, but I'm like, shit, yeah, I got that for free. Okay. Stick that bad boy in there. We'll pretend it's the first time I ever saw it when I do my unboxing and review on it, so just... But you guys saw it here first. Now, over here, what else we got? Oh yeah, you already saw these, the Fermu glasses, the ones that look like these, but they're more cat eye. I already reviewed those, you saw them. But for anyone who missed it, here they are. And now that I've done this, I can actually start like using them. I just didn't want to misplace them for the freebies video, so I've kept them in the freebies pile. Just make sure I wouldn't forget that these were in fact a freebie last month that I got. So that was a good thing. I always like stuff like that. Okay, coolio. In we go. For now. Are we down to like the legit freebies that I got just like for mail and stuff now? I think we are. So over here, what did we get? We have stickers! They're stickers about the virus, but I don't care. They're freebies. 6 feet apart is better than 6 feet under. Wear a mask. You don't know. I might have coronavirus. Oh my god, that's so bad. Stay back. Nobody gets hurt. Wear a mask. No one wants to see your face. Oh my god, that's so rude. I kind of love it though. Stay home and stay safe. Keep calm and keep your distance. These are really cute. Yes, wine is essential. Oh, that's my favorite one. But yeah, I'm just like, oh my god, those are cute. Yeah, all these were just little freebies that you could send away for, so I did, just because they're freebies. What company was in charge of these? Evermind.com, in case you wanted some. In here, we've got a freebie for Estee Lauder. Revitalizing Supreme Plus Global Anti-Aging Cell Power Cream. And it's a little 0.17 ounce thing. Let's take it out and look at it. Being it was for free, that's pretty bougie. Just saying. Just saying. That's a good size for being literally free on one of those Facebook ads that you see scrolling down the page that are for a little free sample thing. It was one of those. So I clicked it just to see if it would work. I had no idea if it would actually work, but it did. I was pleasantly surprised. So I got a free thing. Gotta tilt this down a little because my foot's going numb from balancing on it. Dabbly.com. What was from Dabbly.com? Oh! Dabbly Sunny Offense plus Anti-Aging. What is it? It's some kind of food. They're gummies. 7 day supply, 14 gummies. Vitamin C, E, and melon extract supply to promote glowing skin. And they're watermelon berry flavored. Sounds pretty good. So yeah, a little pack of these that's apparently like a week's supply for free. Thank you, Dabbly.com. And there's a whole little thing on it here. I'll turn it the other way. Feel free to pause and read if you like. Okay. It is stupid that this is the one I was the most excited about that I got a freebie for. Dunkaroos are back, bitch, and I got some for free. Apparently they were sending them out to like the first, I don't know how many thousand people that clicked on the site. But I was one of them, so I got free Dunkaroos, and I'm like, I have not seen these since the 90s. I am so freaking excited. You have no idea. I know, Canada never got rid of them. Y'all were spoiled. For those of us in the US, we haven't seen them in years, so... This was a little freebie thing, too, from Image Skincare. Vital C Hydrating Anti-Aging Serum. See, I didn't say it wrong. That's literally what it says. Number 1 for 16 years and counting. It's got a little thing here. Got a little thing there. Again, feel free to pause and read if you like. Gives noticeable brightness and glow, helps to lock in hydration, fights the look of fine lines, dark spots, and uneven tone, provides antioxidant defense against daily skin stressors, reduces visible signs of stress and fatigue. Again, free. 100% free. These are not the freebies where you pay shipping. No. 100% free. I hunt down freebie bargains like it is my job. Just saying. And then finally, all of the free ebooks that I scored. Two of these were through Thomason, which is where I'm linked up with the different brands to get the free products. So from there, and I have to review these two like in the next 45 days. Open-Minded, an inspirational story of a changed woman by Mitzi Einstein, and Then She Was Speechless by Chana Calderon. Now the other 16 on here that I have are from Goodreads.com. I won these in giveaways. I love how I've been a member of this site for like 10 years, never won a single giveaway in all of that time, and then last month I win 16 of them. Granted, these are all ebook format. I don't care. Books are books. I will take them in any format you feel like giving them to me. So, of the ones that I won, I haven't won any this month so far, by the way, but I apparently was on a winning streak last month. In the Dark Soft Earth by Frank Watson, The Independent Author's Handbook, 3rd edition, Publish, Market, Ebooks, Paperbacks, and Audiobooks by John Stillwell, All the Stars on Fire by Beck Medina, and Everyday Anxiety by Andrew John Bell, A Fate Unwound Too Soon, Glimpses of the Divine by Anna Karen Sorensen, Jesus Christ, His Life and Mine, The Story of Jesus and How It Applies to Us in the Twitter Age by R. Christian Bolin, The Prodigal Priest, hey man, I'm a Catholic, alright, so don't judge. The Prodigal Priest, A Philosophical Journey into the Roots of Humankind by Andre Costa, Murder in a Scottish Murder in a Scottish Shire, A Scottish Shire Mystery No. 1 by Tracy Hall, Innovation on Tap, Stories of Entrepreneurship from the Cotton Gin to Broadway's Hamilton by Eric B. Schultz, North Pole Incorporated by Davy Pepperidge, Flatline by Linda Bond, Nosy Bones, A Barker Street Bones Mystery No. 2 by Sandy St. John, which, there is dog mystery books. I repeat, there is dog-themed mystery books. This is a genre I did not know existed. I need to go find the first book in the series now. Soul Pain Revealed, Bridging Psychology with Faith as the Way Through Suffering by Julie Caton, The Garden of Longing by Gavin Ayers, Gender Rebels, 50 Influential Crossdressers, Impersonators, Name Changers, and Game Changers by Annika Harry, and A Happy Catastrophe by Maddie Dawson. And that, my friends, is all the freebies that I got in May of 2020, and I must say, I feel pretty damn proud of myself. That was a good month for freebies, just saying. Even if a bunch of them were brand deal freebies, hey, free stuff is free stuff. I will not turn it down, regardless of where it comes from, and if I have to review it in return for getting free stuff. So, anyway guys, that is it for this one. So as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye bye.